Hello everybody. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all, and I say God bless you. Thank you richly. Today I didn't show you the process, what I did. This morning I woke up, I said I didn't plan baking cake. I just woke up, said let me just bake cake. So what I did, I got all my flours. I got a little pinch of all-purpose flours, just a little bit, like 1 spoon, 2 teaspoons. So I put in my almond powder, Buckwheat powder, and then coconut powder. Then put in my oat roll, both blended one and the one not blended. So then a little pinch of salt, rock salt. Then a little bit of baking powder and barcanate powder. Then I mix all together, put it aside. Then I take another pan, I break just 1 egg I use. Then I break the egg, whisk it, put my vanilla essence, squeeze in my fresh lemon juice and my lemon zest and my healthy oil and milk, fresh milk, oat milk. Then I mix all together. Then I make a well in the dry ingredient under that bowl. I tip it all together and I mix all together. Then I put in all my dry fruits. I got all my dry fruits here. I chop in my ginger nuts and sultanas, dates, apricots, all the whole nuts I got in the kitchen. I chop them all, bang all, and mix all together. Then oil my pan, flicking some powder in my pan. Put it in my pan, put it on a very low heat. Then put in some chocolate chips on top and coconut chips on top as well before I bake. You can see them, but these are the fresh coconut. These are the chips, chocolate chips. So these are the coconuts. Then I use fresh strawberry now to decorate. So this is a dessert for later in the day with yogurt or custard. Okay, guys, very easy to make. Very, very easy. So, guys, keep subscribing. And thank you so much. Thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you those watching me. Thank you. God bless you.